Imagine you're a budding entrepreneur, eager to dive into the world of e-commerce. You've got a fantastic product idea, but the logistics of inventory, shipping, and customer service seem daunting. What if there was a platform that could handle all of that, allowing you to focus on what you do best, selling? That's where Spocket comes in. It's a dropshipping platform that connects you with suppliers worldwide, offering a wide range of products you can sell on your online store without carrying any inventory. But how does it work, and how can you make the most of it? Setting up your Spocket account. The first step is to create a free Spocket account. Once you're in, you'll be able to explore the vast catalog of products. You can search by category, keyword, or even supplier. Finding the right products. Spocket offers various filters to help you narrow down your search. Look for products with high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and good customer reviews. Consider your target audience and their preferences when selecting products. Adding products to your store. Once you've chosen products, you can easily import them into your online store. Spocket integrates with popular platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and eBay. Simply follow the platform's specific instructions to connect your store to Spocket. Customizing product listings. You can customize your product listings to match your brand style and tone. This includes editing titles, descriptions, images, and pricing. You can also add your own branding elements to make your store stand out. Managing orders and shipping. When a customer places an order, Spocket automatically forwards it to the supplier. The supplier then ships the product directly to the customer. You can track the order's status and provide your customers with tracking information. Handling customer support. As a dropshipper, you are responsible for providing customer support. Spocket offers tools to help you manage customer inquiries and resolve issues efficiently. Optimizing your Spocket store. To maximize your success on Spocket, it's essential to optimize your store. This includes using relevant keywords, creating high-quality product images, and running targeted marketing campaigns. Scaling your business with Spocket. As your business grows, Spocket can help you scale. You can expand your product range, explore new markets, and even create your own branded products. Spocket offers a convenient and efficient way to start and grow your online business. By following these steps and leveraging the platform's features, you can build a successful dropshipping venture. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for Spocket today and start exploring the endless possibilities of dropshipping. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy dropshipping.